Oh my god. Well. Well.
No! I know! Fucking! I know why you don't feel that.
Wait.
Hey!
You're gonna break the recliner. What is wrong? Is there something wrong?
You got shit! You don't feel that on your ass?
What? Babe, don't play with me. My stomach's been hurting all day. Don't do that.
But...
Well, can you get it?
Hey!
Get the wipe.
The hell?
Help me. For real, my stomach is
Grown! I ain't touching your ass like
I
that.
think you're playing with me. I don't see anything.
Get your damn phone, I'll take a picture.
Don't do that. My stomach's been hurting. Please clean it. Here. Here.
Is that really shit? Is it really shit? Did you shit yourself? Do you not feel that?
No, I don't feel nothing. How do you see it? I think you're playing with me.
You sharted. That's what you did. You thought you farted in the shit.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, shit.
Come on, help me clean it.